Hey guys, how's it going? I just got home from work and figured I'd send you a video on the last day of 2020. Hopefully everybody's 2020 went pretty good. Mine was, I don't know, average besides here in Minnesota, couldn't do anything. Besides that, it was pretty average. I worked and then I came home and worked some more. So my ankle is about 70% or so. Not doing too bad. It hurts to bend it certain ways and stuff, and it's a little sore, but not doing too bad. Bruising's all gone. And just gonna let you know that I've got quite a few projects in store for 2021, and should be a few videos coming out here. So got a couple things in the shop I can't show you, not right now anyways. So hopefully everybody's 2021 is a lot better than 2020 and things get back to normal a little bit more, and hopefully I can keep some ambition going so I can get after a lot of these projects. They're kind of stacking up. I probably brought home a couple too many in 2020. So I'd like to thank all the new and the old subscribers, the guys that have been around for quite a while. I appreciate you all. You guys leave a lot of good comments and I appreciate all that. I'm gonna try to get this video edited up quick and send it off to you right away. Happy New Year's. Take care and God bless. Thanks everyone. You wanna run them?